We just created our own token, the AVB token. That's me. Using Token Farm, it costed us just under 2.38 NEAR. If you'd like to know how to do that, it is super simple. Go to our previous video. Now we'll be adding our own unique custom token to Ref Finance. So it's the first time I do it, so we'll just follow the instructions because NEAR user experience is so simple and so good. Anyone should be able to do things the first time they try. So it's been registered to Ref Finance just by signing that transaction. Next step, we will be depositing AVB onto Ref Finance. Okay, AVB has been deposited. Next step is to create an AVB pool. So this is a liquidity pool. So anyone wanting to buy or sell AVB, there will be orders there on both sides. Next step is to add liquidity. So we've registered, added AVB and created the pool all from the Token Farm interface, which is really nice and neat actually. All you have to do is click and approve. Now we've been taken to the Ref Finance application so we can add some liquidity. So I'll connect my NEAR wallet first. So we can see that this is the new pool that we just created. It's going to be wrapped NEAR and AVB, which is the new token. I need to add some wrapped NEAR first. So there is an upgrade on the way to So we're going to deposit some NEAR into Ref Finance so we can create the pool. Fantastic. So now we can see that we've got 20 NEAR and 420,000 AVB. Go back to Le Pool. Let's find our pool. At liquidity. If I add 20 NEAR and 20,000 AVB, just keep it simple. We approve the transaction. Do note that we've done multiple transactions and they all cost a fraction of a cent. And it's super fast and easy and pretty. That's it. See that the underlying liquidity, we've got 20 NEAR and 20,000 AVB. Total shares is my percentage of the pool, so I'm the only one now. I've got one, or I guess 100%. And I will collect a 0.3% fee for providing liquidity to the pool, which is very exciting. Yeah, we can see, we can easily find the liquidity that we are providing on Ref on your liquidity section. And the creation of the liquidity of the pool was handled on the Token Farm interface, but it's very easy to create new pools on Ref Finance. And one of the cool features actually is you can change the fee basis for the pool. This is just to acknowledge that some pairs have higher risk than others. So it's a way of incentivizing people to provide liquidity to higher risk pools so they can charge a higher fee percentage. Fantastic. Now, cheeky bonus. We are going to go on a buying spree just to give some use to these tokens. Just check. Oh, okay. No, I got it. So I can see from my own token that a token's address is the token name dot tkn, which is the application dot near. So I can add vlad dot tkn dot near. See if that worked. He's asking for authorization. Yay! Vlad has now been added. I need to deposit more near. So as we said, we're going on a shopping spree. Going to buy a bunch of tokens from our buddies in the ecosystem. This is fun for me, for sure, but I'm also thinking of the user experience of when people create a new token and they go through all the steps of adding liquidity to ref finance and whatnot. I'm guessing it would be really excited when somebody buys your token. So I want to spend some money. So we're going to buy 2 near worth of Vlad, which turns out to be 26.97 Vlad. We select our slippage, swap rate, yes to everything. We authorize the transaction. Cheaper to swap coins on Ref Finance than on a centralized exchange. True story. Swap successful, click to view. So we can see that my new Vlad balance is 26.97. It won't show in my near wallet yet because it is still within Ref. Let's just continue our shopping spree. And so this is Matt Lockyer, but he hasn't added liquidity. Let's see who else. Yeah, Sasha. Let's buy Sasha's token. Symbol Sasha. Oh, he hasn't registered either. Mate, you're missing out. Peter hasn't registered. Come on, guys. What the? Crass. Oh yeah, Kitty. Let's buy Kitty. So we'll do the same. It's not the easiest, but it will do for now. So we click at token kitty.tkn.near. See if that works. We authorize. Gotta find Kitty now. Yep, Kitty has now been added. Let's do 1 year. Wow, Kitty is expensive. I only get 0.22 Kitty. Impressive. Swap. Allow. I feel like that was a really bad deal. Shout out to Kitty. Kitty is the founder of Pluminite. I believe it's the name of the exchange. Pluminite. So another active member of the near community. Biden token. People get very creative with this. So you gotta be really careful. You can see that there are some people that registered a coin called Bitcoin. They claim the coin name BTC, but it's obviously not real Bitcoin. You know, they even claimed only 21 million coins, but everyone trying to scam. Oh, that was so easy. I could have just filtered by liquidity. Okay, well, let's buy some Marmage. Marmage.tkn.near. Oh, near. At token. Authorize. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. We're gonna buy. Let's give it 2. Bloody love Marmage. She is Very expensive too. Okay, so Marmage only created 21,000 coins, which is why I bought so little. She's added heaps of liquidity, wow. I'm wondering what her coin does, actually. Blaze is a good old friend. Let's buy some slushy as well. Don't autocorrect. I know what I'm doing. Token. Did that work? Something happened. Slushy.tkn. Maybe I've made a mistake and it's not picking it up. Of course, it's slush. Okay, well that's really good UX UI still if the token does not exist. So if you make an error adding it, it just doesn't compute. I think that is a nice feature to have because in other blockchains, I would have paid for the transaction and then would have just failed. It would have thrown an error on the cost of transacting on other blockchains, such as Ethereum, can be quite high. So when you do make those small mistakes, it can turn out to be quite expensive. So we select slush. Blaze is another very active member of the community. These are people that I don't actually know. I just see their names pop up on the chats, and I believe Blaze is sitting with me in the Ref DAO community. Yeah, Ref community DAO. So whatever the slush token does, I want some. Good. Still got some near left. We've bought some Vlad. Beer token. Oh, AVB. That me. Vandal is... Oh, he also issued 420,000. Hilarious. He is doing some great work with crypto music, so let's buy some of that as well, just for fun. I have no idea what the token's going to do. RVNDL token RVNDL. Oh, of course not. Yeah, TKN. I should know how to do this by now, shouldn't I? But once again, just to showcase this feature again, that if you misspell the token address, it won't compute. Allow. Awesome. Let's do 2, why not? Woo! 698 Vandal. Yes, please. It's a really interesting observation, like behavioral design and heuristics. Buying 698 R Vandal seems like a way better deal than buying 0.22 Marmage. Even though, I mean, I have no idea what either token does. Most likely they're both worthless, but there's something about numbers and digits and more being better. A lot of us just translate that to magic money. This is the one that I was looking for. Good old friend Pock. Another very active community member. That's P0K, mate. You need a token name that people can bloody find. That's alright. P0k.tkn.near. Add token. Approve. Could not have chosen any other way to spend my 5th lockdown. Buying my friends' attention online. Let's give 2 POC. Jesus, mate. I am buying 7 million POC. Damn. Well, another interesting heuristics. Large numbers better than small numbers, but 2 large numbers, this kind of feels worthless. Nah. Awesome, so thanks for hanging around. This is what a product demo / tutorial / user testing looks like. If you're ever using a Near application and you come across any interesting observations like this one, price differential paths that may seem broken. So for instance, from today, I'll be passing 2 bits of feedback to the Ref Finance team and the Token Farm team. The first one is that when you click the buy token button, nothing happens. It just goes to the standard swap pool. You have to add the token manually, and there is no indication on the token standard. Even in the Token Farm website, it doesn't tell you what the token is. The only way that I figured it out was by going to my own wallet, seeing what the address for the token that I had issued previously was or is, and then just replicating that. So if mine is avb.token.near, I just went with kitty.token.near. Easy fix, but not something that we can expect every user to know. The other bit of feedback that I shall be passing to the team is the price differential. When people try to withdraw directly from Ref, it is 0.1 if the token has not been added to the wallet yet. But if the token has been added to the wallet from the Token Farm page, it is way cheaper. If you have any questions, let me know. Please leave in the comment section. If you do make a token, a reminder that I still have 9 Near left in my Ref token account, and I'm pretty trigger happy buying random tokens issued by random people. So leave a comment in the comment section. If you do issue your token, you're able to create a pool, you're able to add liquidity, and who knows, maybe I shall be the first person to own it. That would be dope. I'd love to be that guy. So let me know. Take care. Bye.